All right, nothing heard, nothing heard. This is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. This is AC10 calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air, listening for any calls from anywhere. QRZ.
Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Papa November.
All right, was that a Kilo Echo 9 Alpha Papa November QSL? Copy the 5151. I got you about a 4141 into my park number US 2438. I repeat, 2438 Hampton Pond State Park there. QSL? Yeah, I set up and then I noticed these dark clouds coming to me after I set up. So I'm hoping I get at least 10 before the rain comes down. So thank you for being the first one. I really appreciate it. I'll say 73 and have a blessed day there, Lisa.
You do the
All right, I'll clear with you. This is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. This is AC10 calling CQ Parks in the air, calling CQ Parks in the air, listening for any calls from anywhere. QRZ.
Kilo Zulu 4 November Sierra.
All right, there was 3 of you guys there. Let me take the big guy first. Kilo Zulu 4 November Sierra. Is that a QSL?
QSL.
All right, my friend, I got you 5959 for sure into park number US 2438. QSL?
QSL, roger that. Got you about a 5-8 North Carolina. Have fun out there today, 73.
73. Yeah, I plan to stay out here all day, but I don't know. It looks like a storm's coming. After I set up, I noticed it coming this way. So hopefully at least get 10 before it rains, or hopefully it don't rain at all. But anyway, thank you for hunting. I really appreciate it. 73. All right, this is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 4, Bravo, Bravo.
Kilo Quebec 4, Whiskey Tango Golf, Park to Park.
All right, park to park. Please stand by 1 second. Kilo Charlie 4, Bravo, Bravo, 59. Strong signal into US 2438 there. QSL?
Roger, roger. I got you 5-9 in Alpha Lima on top of whatever that foghorn sound is, and somebody playing CW on you.
Roger, roger. I think there's a local around here that doesn't like me or something. I noticed when, excuse me, when I come out to activate parks, I'm either getting tuned on a lot or something's going on. But anyway, thank you. I really appreciate it, my friend. We got the contact. I'll clear with you, my friend, and I'll say, how about that park to park? Give me the call first.
Kilo Quebec 4, Whiskey Tango Golf, Park to Park.
Okay, that was Kilo Quebec 4, Whiskey Tango Golf, Park to Park. QSL?
That's correct. Kilo Quebec 4, Whiskey Tango Golf, Park to Park. I hold you 5-5 into my park, Uncle Sam, 1831. That is 1831. QSL?
QSL, got the 1831. I got you about a 5-5 into US 2438. I repeat, 2438. QSL?
Roger that. 5-5 both ways into your park 2438. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you for Florida as well. I'll clear with you and I'll say, QRZ.
November 5 Kilo Sierra Sierra.
Kilo Charlie 0, Quebec.
November Papa 3 Kilo.
All right, hold on, stand by. I got a few of you guys here. Let's start with November 5 Kilo Sierra Sierra. QSL?
QSL 43 Mississippi.
43 Mississippi. When you came in about a 5-9, but you dropped there with the QSB, but I'm logging that as a 5-9. QSL?
QSL 73.
73. Do I have a November Papa?
November Papa 3 Kilo. November Papa 3 Kilo.
November Papa 3 Kilo. Charles Abe, good afternoon to you, sir. I got you about a 5-5 into my park, US 2438. QSL?
Okay, QSL Adrian. Thank you very much. 5-3 to Florida.
Roger, the 5-3 to Florida. Thank you, my friend. Really appreciate it. Thank you for the hunt. I'll say 73 and call QRZ.
Kilo Quebec 4 Romeo Echo Lima.
Kilo Charlie 0, Quebec, November Alpha.
Okay, still a few of you guys, thank you. But I'll take the Kilo Quebec 4 Radio Echo Lima 59 into park number US 2438 QSL.
QSL got you 5-6 here in Alabama.
Roger the 5-6 Alabama. Thank you, my friend. I thank you for hunting. I'll say 73.
Kilowatt 2, India Tango Zulu.
Okay, I'm only taking calls after I say QRZ. So here we go. QRZ.
Kilowatt 2, India Tango Zulu.
Kilowatt 2, India Tango Zulu. My friend, I got you about a 5-5. 5-5 into US 2438 there. QSL.
QSL 5757 Sierra Charlie, South Carolina. QSL.
Got it. Thank you for the 5-7 South Carolina. Thank you for South Carolina as well. 73, my friend.
73.
All right, this is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. QRZ.
November 4, Romeo Delta Juliet. Romeo, park to park.
All right, park to park. Please stand by for a second. November 4 Delta.
November 4, Romeo Delta Juliet.
All right, got it that time. November 4 Romeo Delta Juliet. Strong 5-9 signal into US 2438 there. QSL.
QSL, Adrian, you're also 5-9 into Alabama. Alpha Lima.
Roger. Thank you for Alabama. Really appreciate it, my friend. 73 and have a great day, okay?
7-3, you too, sir.
All right, thank you. I'll clear with you. And how about that park to park? Call sign only first. You guys went down in QSB there. Park to park again.
Kilo 0, Lima, Bravo, Romeo.
Okay, I think there's two parks to park. Let's start with the, I believe it was Kilo 0, Lima, Bravo, Radio. Is that a QSL?
QSL, Adrian, you're a 5-5 into park 7679, over.
7679 QSL 55 double nickel, my friend. I got you also double nickel into park number 2438. I repeat, 2438 QSL.
QSL the 5-5 into 2438. 73, Adrian.
73, my friend. Thank you for hunting. Good luck with your activation as well. Pota on, my friend. All right, how about that other park to park? Go ahead. Okay, I believe I got it this time. It was, I think it was Whiskey 8, November Whiskey Golf. Is that a QSL? You said two park or one park? All right, my friend. I got you about a 4-1. 4-1 with some QSB into my park, which is US 2438. US 2438. And also to confirm your park was what? 8301? 8306. QSL, copy the 8306. Thank you, my friend. And good luck with your activation today. This is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. QRZ. All right, the one ending with Bravo Delta, please.
Whiskey 4, Bravo Delta. Good morning there, Adrian.
Good morning, Mark. Good morning. Strong 5-9 signal into my park. US 2438 there, QSL.
Sure, got you 5-9. Give it right back to you. 5-9. Best signal on the parks today, sir.
Oh, Roger. Thank you. Thank you for the kind flowers. Yeah, I'm running the, what's that? Chameleon 17-inch, 17-inch wood foot there. It's like the, what do they call that? The Pota Performer there. So I'm actually making a little video here. I don't know when I'm going to post it, but yeah, it's working, I guess, pretty good there, my friend. Thank you, but thank you for hunting, and I'll say 73.
Very good, man. Have a great day at the park. Your Pota Performer's doing a good job for you. When I go out and activate, I just use a 16.5-foot vertical and throw it up in the trees, and it's about the same thing there. So 7-3, my friend.
Wait, thank you, my friend. I'll say 73. Have a blessed day. I'll clear with you and call Cures at. There was a whole bunch of you. Ending in Victor Zulu.
Kilo, Mike 4 Alpha, Victor Zulu.
All right, Kilo Mike 4 Alpha Victor Zulu Michael Mike. I got you about a 5'8" into my park. US 2438. QSL.
Yes, sir. You're a solid 5'5" here in South Alabama.
Roger, Roger. Thank you. I really appreciate the signal report down from Alabama. Thank you for hunting. I'll say 73, my friend.
73. Thanks for activating the park.
My pleasure. This is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. Cures that. Woo! Quite a few of you guys there. Mobile, please stand by. I had a Kilo 4 Bravo Oscar Alpha. Is that a QSL?
Roger, Roger. I have you at about a 5'7" right now. What state are you in?
I am in the state of Massachusetts. I'm in, I believe this, Westfield, Massachusetts. I'm at Hampton Pond State Park, park number US 2438, Western Massachusetts. QSL?
Roger, Roger. The reason I'm asking, I'm running blind this morning. I don't have a computer or a telephone this morning. Internet's down. Hey, I appreciate the contact. Have a great day. 73's to you. Thank you so much. K4 BOA.
73, my friend. Thank you. Thank you for hunting as well. I'll clear with you and call Cures at.
Romeo 4, Bravo Echo Lima.
All right, I forgot about the mobile. I do apologize. First, give me the Whiskey 0, Whiskey 0.
Hey, good morning, Adrian. Whiskey 0, Kilo Echo, Germany. Thanks for picking me up. W0KEG. I've got you 5'8", Mike November, and that photo performer is working well for you, my friend.
Kegman, thank you for hunting me again as well. I love it when you hunt me. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm out here again with the Pota performer. I guess he's doing a good job. So I'm going to give you about a 5'7", 5'8" into my park, US 2438 there. QSL?
QSL, hey, it's my pleasure chatting with you, my friend. Can't do it without you. Thanks for 2438 and 73. Have a great day.
73, my friend. Yeah, I'm also recording a video here. I don't know how it's going to come out, but we're going to try it, see what it goes. I'll put it on my YouTube there. I don't post much, but once in a while I like to put some activations there. All right, my friend, I'll say 73. I'll clear with you, and I do truly apologize for the mobile. Go ahead, mobile. All right, that was Kilo Germany 4.
Romeo Whiskey Oscar. Romeo Whiskey Oscar.
All right, got the mobile here. Alberto, Al, I got you about, I'm going to say about a 4-1 into my park number, US 2438 there. QSL?
QSL, copy 2438 from Massachusetts. Thank you very much. You're 5'5" in South Florida.
QSL, copy the 5'5" South Florida. And I do apologize for forgetting about the mobile there, okay?
73, thank you very much for the activation.
Anytime, my friend. Thank you for hunting. Really appreciate it. This is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. Cures at
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa.
Echo Lima.
Haha, Bruce, you're breaking my speaker here, Bruce. Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa, world's famous hunter for Pota. Good day to you, sir.
Roger, Adrian. Good to hear you. You're 5'9" plus here in Indiana. Great signal coming this way.
Likewise, my friend. The same here. Strong signal like always, my friend. Thank you for hunting. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. 73 and good luck.
73. I'll clear with you and call Cures at
Kilo Romeo 4, Bravo Echo Lima.
All right, I got a Kilo Romeo 4 Bravo Echo Lima. I got you about a 5'7", 5'6", 5'7" into park number US 2438. QSL?
Roger, on the 5'7". I have you 5'4" in Central Kentucky, but your audio is booming.
Roger. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for the true signal report and the audio. I really appreciate it. I'm running a Yaesu FT710 at the moment. I tweaked, the EQ within the radio, and I am using the regular stock mic there, my friend.
73. Sounds good.
Thank you, my friend. 73. I'll clear with you and call Cures at
Kilo 4, Whiskey Papa.
Kilo 4 Whiskey Papa. Jose, how are you, my friend?
Good, how are you, Adrian?
I am doing well. You're coming in strong 5'9" into my park here, US 2438, my friend.
Roger,
Roger, Roger. I got you to 5-7. Weather kind of up and down, so it's going to interfere with me for a little bit because I'm on a wire. But you're coming in good, my friend.
Well, you're sounding good up here in Massachusetts. Thank you. I really appreciate the hunt. I'll say 73, all right?
7-3, thank you.
Anytime. I'll clear with you and call Cures at.
Park to park.
Go ahead, park to park. Call sign first.
Call sign Kilo Charlie 0 Golf Golf Alpha. Park 10004. USO.
Okay, I got the Kilo Charlie 0 Golf Golf Alpha. Give me the park number one more time, please.
10004.
Copy 10004. All right, my friend, I had you when you first came in about a 5757 into my park, US 2438. QSL?
USO 57. I have you a strong 59 here in Iowa.
Oh, Roger, Roger. Thank you for the Iowa. Yeah, I didn't even check how I got this antenna pointed, but I think it's either southwest in that direction. But I got you in the log, my friend. Thank you. I really appreciate it, and good luck with your activation today as well. Pota on.
Yeah, same here, 73.
73. This is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. Cures at.
November 9er Kilo Tango Uniform Mobile.
November 9er Kilo Tango Uniform Mobile. I got you about a 5-7, my friend. 5-7 into my park, US 2438. QSL?
Very good. I have you about a 5-6. Today I'm calling from the upper peninsula of Michigan. Otherwise, nice guy.
All right, I copy the 5-6 is something about upper central Michigan there. Now you faded away at the end there, my friend.
I'm located in the upper peninsula of Michigan. I'm in the UP.
Got it that time. Thank you, my friend. Uh-oh, I think the rain's coming. All right, I'm going to say 73, my friend, and I think I am going to call QRT because I don't want none of this stuff getting wet.
Yeah, hey, I don't blame you, and just to let you know, it's starting to rain here also, so maybe it's one of them days.
Yeah, I wish this was just a pass-through, but I forgot to bring something at least to cover my stuff up. And, well, I guess I was unprepared. All right, I'm going to figure something out here. I don't know whether I'm going to go over here to the, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, this is Alpha Charlie 1 Oscar. I got to say QRT. Rain's starting to come down.
Very good. 73, take care. And 9, KTU.
Okay.